Hi, I'm Steve Plum, Senior Editor of SMA Media. I'm here today with Avi Reichental, CEO, Chairman, and Co-founder of Nexus 3D.
Good to be with you.
Great. So we're at RAPID TCT, and you had some exciting news that you want to share.
Absolutely. We launched our latest printer, the XiP Pro. It's our fastest, biggest, most accurate, most productive, and with the lowest total cost of ownership. So we're really stoked about it.
So can we get into the numbers a little bit? How big, how fast?
You want to do the numbers. 9.5 liters of build volume. That's about 2.5 times the comparable printers on the market. It's a very large build plate built on LCD of about 13 inches on a diagonal. It has a very fast layer speed, high power transmission, and most importantly, 7K resolution that gives you much finer feature details, smoother surface. And all of that comes with the most advanced sensor package that now puts eyes and a finger on the pulse of print health and print success.
So what does this mean to the users? The speed and capability.
Yeah, so look, the name of the game in industrializing additive manufacturing is consistency, reliability, uptime, yield, and all of that translates to first time print success and every time print success. Making that as close to push button has been kind of the holy grail for decades. With the XiP Pro, we're getting closer and closer to that level of print fidelity where you can print with confidence, which is what we want.
So I imagine all those capabilities also translate into a quicker ROI.
Quicker ROI, and most importantly, shorter printing cycles, so that you can really unlock the full potential of additive, not just in terms of decentralized hyper-local manufacturing, but doing it really, really fast. I mean, if you think about traditional 3D printing as dial-up internet, this is now broadband. I mean, this is where we're taking it.
And how fast does it go through its build cycle?
It depends on the size of what you build. But in most instances, you can get all your parts in under 2 hours, which is unheard of.
So what, are you targeting any specific applications, industries, types of companies?
Well, we're targeting product companies, we're targeting engineering companies, we're targeting dental labs and hearing aid and audiology companies. We're targeting aerospace, defense, oil and gas. But even before all of that, we're targeting all the people that are here at RAPID that have already purchased printers in the past, and we're offering them an opportunity to upgrade their experience from dial-up to broadband.
Right. So, you mentioned it, you're here at RAPID launching the product. How important is it to be at a show like RAPID TCT and to network and also interact with potential customers?
It's very, well, everybody who's here is highly knowledgeable and experienced subject matter experts. So to be able to tap into this community and to show them what they can do with our new product is a huge win. And honestly, I couldn't think of a better launch pad for the XiP Pro than RAPID plus TCT, so it's good to be here.
Great. Well, bigger picture, where do you see additive progressing? What are some of the opportunities and some of the challenges?
Yeah. So, I mean, as you know, I've been in this industry for a couple of decades, and it's still, I think, a nascent industry relative to the potential. But I think that with every cycle of exponential technology convergence, right, between ubiquitous connectivity, infinite computing power in the cloud, things like GPT and sensors, as all of that converges, we're getting closer and closer to the dream of truly teleporting and replicating parts, which is a big idea, especially now that we understand just how brittle and and fragile the supply chain is. And when you walk around the floor here at RAPID, you begin to see glimpses of the final yards to get to truly industrial manufacturing. That's what gets me excited, because it's really an opportunity to reclaim the glory of manufacturing in the digital age. And that's a big deal.
Sure. Well, great. Well, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.